I'm gonna be teaching you how to make the world's best paper airplane. The things you'll need is a sheet of paper and some tape. So you're gonna have to fold the paper in half long ways. So see how it's like nice and long? That's what you want it to be. Open it up and do this. Do the things that you would usually do on a regular paper airplane. Like, you would go like this. Just go like that, and then so see how it's like this? Fold it down. And then you're gonna do the same step that was the second step that we did. So we're going to do that. It doesn't have to be even with the bottom line. Try to. But if it's not, it's okay, because you don't really need the bottom line. Then fold it. So see how it's like this? You're just going to fold it in half. Fold the wings down. And then open them up. See how this part is not even? It doesn't really matter because it doesn't matter. So, but you can just try to fold it down to where it's supposed to, so it would be even. There. And then you're going to fold this up a little, not even halfway, so you go like this. So see how see how it's like this? You just gotta fold it. And see how there's like a lot of space? You need that, okay? And then you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Try to make both of them the same size, because then it can fly better. Because see how they're like the same size? So now you're going to need some tape. So just take a piece of tape, any type, any color, I don't care. And you're just going to kind of wrap it around the front. So like put it a little far behind the highest you could, and then just wrap. So like you would just go that. Alright. And then get another piece of tape. And tape the back. So the back will stay stable. You can add some more pieces of tape to the back, but yeah. So that's how I make the world's best paper airplane. Thanks for watching. Bye.